Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raisa, and today I'm gonna be making one of the most delicious Cameroonian street food called poisson braisé, aka roasted fish, aka burning fish. So I'm gonna make this in an oven because I don't have a charcoal grill. So let's make this work. I'm gonna use fresh ingredients because to me they make food taste way better. I'm gonna use ginger, garlic, parsley, some scallions, some black peppers, white peppers, Njangsa, maggi seasoning cubes, and some salt. Then I'm gonna make sure my fish is clean and good to use. After washing it the first time, I'm gonna put it in warm salty water for 5 minutes or less, and then take it out, rinse it again, and then put it in a sieve to get out the excess water. Then I'm gonna mix my seasoning with oil and then season the fish, the inside and the outside. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven to boil for like 15 minutes, and then take it out, season the fish again, put it to boil for like 5 more minutes on low heat, and then season the fish again for 5 more minutes and put back in the oven, and it's good to go. So you could try this if you want.